Talk to him up. He's bringing the water.
He bringing the water? Hot boy in?
On the mic. Talk to him up. You'll be asking what's going on with it. That's how you feel. That's how you feel. That's how you feel?
What?
Right here, all traffic? Try something else. I told you, be in the club at 6 o'clock.
We're going to leave and come back.
6 o'clock. No, I want everybody to see this shit.
Stop running.
6 o'clock, I'm fucking you up. I'm fucking you up. 6 o'clock, meet me at the clubhouse. Meet me down. I got my money. Meet me down. Meet me at the clubhouse at 6 o'clock. I'm fucking him up.
You fucking him up.
6 o'clock at the clubhouse. 6 o'clock at the clubhouse. You can't do no more publicity stunts. We ain't on the internet. We ain't on the internet no more. Y'all face to face. Live in the head. See, the thing is this. You see, listen. One thing I tell you about, I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm smart. He see I just rolled out here. He know my bike. He thought I'm racing right now. He trying to find a way out. I'm a man smarter than this. Of course you want to run a fade when you've been sitting there and then
An hour?
Yeah. Meet me at the club at 6
No,
o'clock.
you need an hour?
I need you to meet me at 6.
Why you need that
I want all
many
my
hours?
people to see this shit.
It's 2:30.
Yeah, I want everybody to see this ass
Hey,
woman.
you need 3.5 hours to
The
cool
people
down?
jam. See, listen, man. Everybody gonna see you get fucked up. I'm fucking you up. I'm fucking you up. I need to see myself.
How many
Put that ass I can see
You need
myself.
3 hours?
You know I look good on these cameras. You know what I'm saying? And I look good when I be behind your ass. So you ain't good enough for nothing but singing. Okay, I don't know what you're talking to. Don't listen to so now, at the clubhouse, yes. You get all of it too. Hey, you know you fucking new bitch. You get a bitch all of it the first time. You don't get all of it. And you don't get it raw. All of it, dude. Vaseline. That's it. Naked, little spit. Naked, all of it. That's the only thing you can do.
Let's do it.
That's the thing you want to sideways to get shit.
I ain't ready for
Listen, I'll fuck you up today.
This is why I don't come down here.
Okay, all of us ain't fucking you.
I was there. You was supposed to come on.
I'm saying that's who he is today. Everything you ask him was number studies. I made that nigga a race name. Hey, that's what my mama's barbecue. That's the number studies. Who gave that nigga that race name? Anybody come up and ask me racist out there? You can't get that.